Welcome to the Records Marine platform. To add a new business type, go to your account and click on Add Business Type. Choose the direction of your business. In this example, we'll select Supply Company. Click Add Company to start the process. On the first step, select the business type that matches your company. For example, spare parts. Choose the categories for the products or services you offer. Use the search bar or view the full list for convenience. If you can't find the right category, use the Missing a Category form to suggest it. Then click on specific items for your business if required. Move on to adding brands. Select brands from the list or add a new one. For each brand, specify your role, such as reseller, distributor, or manufacturer. Specify the countries where you have warehouses or the ports where you can deliver quickly. The more locations you add, the easier it is for clients to find your company. If a port is missing, suggest it using the form. Select the class approvals that apply to your products. If you don't see the right class, submit a request through the form. Fill in your business information. A short description, address, and contact details. Make sure your description is unique and not the same as your About Us section. Review all your information and submit your application for moderation. Your application has been sent for review. Once approved, your business will appear on the Records Marine platform.